Hey guys, I'm Zel. Today I want to show you an easy DIY tutorial. This is how I cut my old tees into tops. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll need an old shirt, a pen, and the scissors. Lay your t-shirt flat. Then with your pen, mark the start and end point where you want to cut the sleeves and draw a line connecting them. It simply matters of how low you want your armholes to be. After marking it, you fold it in half. So just make sure your shirt is smooth and flat. Uncut it starting from the top and easing your way down following the mark you made earlier. Since my scissors are not sharp enough, I find it hard to cut it fast. If you will do it next time, make sure that you will use the sharpest scissors. Alright, so you've successfully turned an old shirt into a new tank top. So I have here another old shirt. I want to transform it to a crop tank top. When the weather gets hot, the fashion changes too. Tank tops are the way to go, but you don't have to go out and buy new styles. Summer is also great because you have the free time to craft.